Hello, welcome back to Trading Made Simple. I'm Sandra, and we're going to be going through mobile trading and advanced orders. So let's get to it. The first thing we're going to do is open up your app, stick in the stock that you want to enter. Now, once we get to this screen, I'm not sure what your screen lands on, so I'll go through this. There's charts, news, options, level 2, profile. So we're going to stay on options right in the middle. We're going to scroll up a little bit. You're going to see single spread. You could see there's vertical, back ratio, all the different complex strategies. We're going to keep it on single. This will represent calls and puts. You could see your trade grid here. My finger could hit that. Weeklies or monthly. I have a June 18th. I'm going to take a 675 call. So it's just set up just like that, and you can adjust it. If you wanted a market order, it's right up here. There you go. If you want a limit, it's right there. You can leave the lock unlocked. You can change how many you want. If my finger would work. This is what happens too, by the way, when you're in a trade and you're trying to get out. You're like, it's not working. All right. Here's the good till cancel. We're not going to do a market. We'll do a limit. And if you want to negotiate that price, you just move the toggle or leave it open. It'll give you the best going rate between the natural and mid. Keep the exchange on best. Account, primary market account or your IRA. Okay. And you could say show more. It'll give you the description of what you're purchasing. Just make sure that's correct. The risk profile, it's a graph, but it's not interactive. Doesn't do very much. And then if you wanted to do an advanced order and not do the purchase based on the option price, right over here where it says conditions, right under good till cancel. Funny how that's not like highlighted. It's so mute. Once you hit conditions, you go to submit on market condition right there. If you had a custom time, you could use that, but if we're going to put good till cancel, that typically covers it, just like it would on your computer. When we add a condition, I'm hitting it 3 times, you would leave that on mark, and you would, as an analyzation exercise, if the stock was at 670.113 and you had a support level at 670, you could say buy my call when it's at 670. So you would just say mark at or below 670. Well, let's see. Okay. You're done with your order. You can review it, which is top right hand. Take a look and say, okay, makes sense. But wait, I forgot to stop. Go to edit. Below risk profile is create advanced orders. Click that. And now you can do your stop. If you want to do two stops because you want to sell when you reach your profit and also sell when you stop out, you would go to first triggers OCO, hit your next order, hit it again. Now you have your sell ticket. And all of this is based on the option price. Same toggles, except you'd put stop for your stop out, standard. You could do a trail stop right there. You'd leave that on mark. If you did a trail stop, you could do it based on, minus 50 cents or minus $1 off of your option price. If you want to do a percentage, you just hit the plus minus key, and then a drops down for a percentage. You could put 0.5% or 1% as an example. And that's all based on, of course, the option price. If you wanted to change that, you could come down here to conditions, and you could put at a resistance level as an example. Oh no, this is your trail stop. This is your standard stop. Sorry, or your trail stop. So you would not use a condition for this one. Your profit taking you could, but not on this. So in this case, all you have to do is toggle off, and anything you inputted will not be used. It's only used in your order if it's toggled on. So as an example, we made a mistake. We take a look at everything else. You have it at a 0.5% trail stop. Oh, we forgot good till cancel. Gonna make sure all these little boxes are set. Okay, that looks good. So now there's no done button. You just go back to the group. Let's put your, now we have a trail stop there, so typically that's fine. You could keep a trail stop, you could use a standard stop, and in this one, this would be your profit target, so sell order. So let's go ahead and do that. You just hit the second one, take a look at your options that you have. On this one, because it's profit, you would say limit, good till cancel. You could increase the price as an example, $25. That would be for the option price. If you didn't want to do it by option, but you wanted to do it by stock price, after you put in good till cancel, we need to keep the lock unlocked if we're going to go to conditions and set a stock price here. So as an example, if I wanted to take profits when NVIDIA got to 700, we would just go in here, put 700, because we don't know what the option price will be when NVIDIA gets to 700. So we would leave that unlocked. We would say show more so we can read the instructions. So just quickly read that. Prices, so it's unlocked, that's good. If it's locked, it probably won't get filled. So you have to leave it unlocked. Wait until the following condition is satisfied. Mark price of the security is less. Oh, see that mistake? Less or equal to 700? No, this is our profit taking. So we want that at or above 700, right? That's our profit. Okay, so now we got all that set. So we go back to group. We go to review, which is top right. And now you can review your order. Okay, looks good. You could save it. Bottom left, if you wanted to sleep on it. If you needed to edit, top left, top left. And if everything looked good and you were ready to go back to review and paper trade it. It says we have 3 orders, and you can see that there's a wait condition, which is there's a little key to the left, and then your 2 paper clips, and that's to wait to get triggered. So that is basically the mobile app. If you enjoyed this content, please go ahead and subscribe. Give a thumbs up or down. Give me some comments. Really appreciate it. And also hit that notification bell so that you could be notified when I have new videos. I typically do about 2 to 3 a week just to help you, with tips and tricks, and of course, how to operate ThinkorSwim, because you know how that goes. Well, thanks for checking out my channel, and I'll see you on the next episode.